You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Yes, it's normally pronounced as mercantilism. Mercantilism. Now, it can be pronounced as mercantilism. Yes, this is referenced in the Merriam-Webster dictionary, so probably it applies more to American English. Certainly the British English is mercantilism, and the confusion is that the adjective is mercantile, definitely mercantile, not mercantile, but this is generally pronounced mercantilism. But mercantilism, even mercantilism, are often also referenced in some dictionaries, so they are correct too. So 3, mercantilism, mercantilism, or mercantilism are correct pronunciations, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.